guys! Welcome back to another Social Kandura Reacts. I am Joanna.
And my name is Simran.
And today we are reacting to the most awaited trailer, Nadania.
First things first, before we dive right into it, let's just talk about the actors in this movie. We have Khushi Kapoor, amazing actor. She just did a fabulous job acting for Love Yapa, which we also did a trailer reaction for. And of course, none other than
Ibrahim Ali Khan. Like, this is his first ever movie and I can't wait to watch him on screen. Like, when their song came out, I remember their chemistry was so good. They look so cute together. And Khushi looked so, like, her name goes so well with her personality. She's so, like, vibrant, always smiling. She's super cute.
Yeah, and of course, everybody all across the world is fangirling over Ibrahim at the moment because he just fits in so perfectly with the role that he's playing in this very movie. And of course, he is...
And he's so hot. He's so hot.
Yeah, and of course, he is the son of
I'm
a
sure
very good
all the
actor.
girls are only going to watch him. Like, forget about Khushi at this point.
No, even Khushi looks really, really pretty.
Yeah,
and
but
so
I think
cute
it's
and
going to be
lovely.
like a blockbuster only because of him.
Yeah, and considering that it is his first movie, even more so. But it is releasing on the 7th of March and it is a Netflix movie, so make sure to watch it on the 7th of March and you know where to find it. Yes. So let's
you
get
excited?
Yes, I'm super excited.
I don't know what to expect actually. I think it'll
just
be
get
a
right into it.
rom-com.
Yeah, it is a rom-com. Because of the song, it looks like a rom-com. Okay, let's get right into it.
मेरी स्विमिंग की मुझे नेशनल लॉ कॉलेज में फुल स्कॉलरशिप दिलवाएगी। हर सेमेस्टर टॉप करूंगा। कैंपस प्लेसमेंट से जॉब मिलेगी।
और प्यार के लिए कोई जगह है क्या?
कुछ दिनों से मुझे पहले से और भी अच्छे लगते हो
तुम मेरे साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहे हो मेहता।
ऐसी तुम में सनम जाने
दीप
क्या
दिया जैसे
फर्क है अच्छे
तुम मैजिक है।
लगते हो तुम इश्क में
तुम दोनों सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स हो या
पापा Your contract is over. हर हफ्ते के 25,000 मिले थे मुझे इसके बॉयफ्रेंड बनने की एक्टिंग करने के।
Is this the way you embarrass me? इस बार कभी नहीं मिलने का डील करते हैं और इसमें कुछ फेक नहीं होगा।
मैं हार गया माँ। I got distracted.
What's not cool, अर्जुन? इसकी तुमने पिया का दिल तोड़ा।
इस घर के बड़ों को सिर्फ बड़े होने की इज्जत चाहिए, पर बड़ा बनना भूल जाते हैं।
मैं जिस प्यार में ऐसी छोटी मोटी नादानियां ना उस प्यार का मजा ही क्या है?
Wow. This movie is actually giving me Student of the Year vibes.
Yeah, it is giving student of
It's
the year
so
vibe.
vibrant, it's so like colorful and like everyone's like, no, but I have to tell you, like, it started off super cute and then suddenly there was a twist. I mean, she was paying him to be his boyfriend.
I
her
don't
boyfriend,
think
right?
she was paying him, but someone else was paying.
Something like that,
Something
yeah.
like that,
Where
And he was he got a contract, a scholarship, and he got distracted with something that's not specifically mentioned in the movie, and he lost that contract, and he's super sad because he got distracted, and now he's lost everything and doesn't even know what to do. And towards the end, he even loses his girlfriend.
or I don't know if she paid him to be
yeah,
his
it's-
her boyfriend.
There
You
is
can't
that
tell.
element of.
But are you like, did you like how his acting was on screen? I mean,
it's
I'm not
super
judging him.
fast. It's super fast, so I mean, there's no way to judge
Yeah.
it until we actually watch the movie.
Yeah.
But not bad for the first
start,
time.
yeah.
Not bad for the first
Like
time.
he's pretty good looking on screen. Like you can tell both of them complement each other. It's so cute. Like in the start, they are just like in their puppy love phase, and then suddenly it just like goes downhill for both of them. And then she's fighting her parents and all of that. It's surprising to see Sunil Shetty.
Yeah, Sunil Shetty's in this movie.
It's so nice. I didn't even know that. And he looks so good. Like
like he's like aging like fine wine, he's looks really good on screen.
I mean, he's always taken up like such fun roles, like you know, De Dhanadhan and like what are the other Bhagam Bhag. I don't know if he was in Bhagam Bhag. No, he wasn't in Bhagam Bhag. He was in De Dhanadhan. Then he was in which other movie? Fir Hera Fairy. All those iconic, funny movies. He's just delivered and made people laugh. So this is, I think, a very serious character that he's playing.
He's playing a father. And we definitely don't know what's happening exactly, how the love story took a major, massive turn. But it involves their families, it involves them in college, I think, it involves a lot of their friends. And it just looks like a complete mess that has really broken them both. But the only way to know what exactly happened is to watch the movie on the 7th of March, which is very, very soon, end of this week. So,
I think this is a perfect movie for all the students and like people in love and like people trying to figure out
definitely
what is happening in their lives.
And of course, to all the Khushi Kapoor and Ibrahim Ali Khan fans, this movie is perfect for you.
Ibrahim.
Me too.
Are you team Khushi?
No, I'm team Ibrahim.
I think let us know down in the comments below on whose team are you and who would you love to see on screen, and let us know down in the comments below. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. We cannot wait for this movie to be out, and I'm really going to enjoy this. It's going to be such a refreshing movie to watch after a very long time. So
make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.